Hello children, welcome back to English class. Raindrops on roses, whiskers on kittens, white copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. These are a few of my favorite things. Did you remember this poem? Yes, in the last class we have dealt with this poem. Children, I asked you to write a small, beautiful little poem basing on your favorite things. Have you done it? Yes, some of you have done and some of you not. Okay, in this class, you are going to learn about a new poem, one more poem, I Wish I Were. Children, every one of you might be dreaming about your future. Every one of you thinking what you want to become when you grow up. Some want to become a teacher, some want to become a lawyer, engineer, a doctor, a policeman, like that. So in the same way, in this poem, I Wish I Were. This poem is written by a great poet, Rabindranath Tagore. So in this poem, a little boy thinks about his future, what he want to become when he grows up. Let us see. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane. Lane means street. That means when it sounds 10, that means by 10 o'clock in the morning, I walk to school by our lane. Every day I meet the hawker crying, bangles, crystal bangles. So while going to school, this boy meets a hawker crying, bangles, that means bangle seller, bangles, crystal bangles, like that. He used to listen to his cries. There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. That means there is no one to ask him uh, where to go, when to come, and where to go, to which home he has to go, and by which time he has to reach to home. There is no one to ask him. So there is no one to bother about him. I wish I were a hawker spending my day in the road crying bangles, crystal bangles. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. That means he thinks that if I were a hawker, that means if that boy becomes a hawker, he could spend more time in the road. That means he's thinking that he could play in the road, he could spend more time in the road crying bangles, crystal bangles. He's thinking that bangle seller's life is so happy, so that he could roam in the roads. And when at 4 in the afternoon, by the time he would reach to his home back from the school, he would see the near the gate. He would see the gardener. What the gardener does, he would be digging the ground, pouring water, or doing something to the plants, some work in the garden. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. So this boy want to become gardener so that he could he could soil his clothes with the dust, and so that no one would ask him. See, if you go with soiled clothes from school to home, will your mother allows you? No, she will scold you, isn't it? But as a gardener, even though he spoils his clothes or becomes soiled, no one is there to ask him. Why? Because he is a gardener. His duty is related with soil, dust, and other particles. So there is no one to ask him. So he want to become a gardener so that he could spade the mud or dig the ground, and he could stay more time in the sun, or he can even get wet in the rain. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging, so that whole day he could sit in the ground or in the garden, digging whole day, digging the ground and doing all these gardening works. Then, just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, so when it gets dark, you'll go to your bed. So in the same way, when it gets dark in the evening, my mother sends me to bed. I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. So during night time, what the watchman does? Watchman, he'll be roaming here and there in the streets and lanes. So what is his duty? To guard the houses, to look after the homes, to guard the houses so that we could sleep happily. So the lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman walking the streets all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. So, here this little boy wants to become a watchman, even a watchman, so that um, he would walk in the streets holding a lamp. Holding a lantern means lamp. So this lane is also so dark. The lane will be so dark, and there will be only during night times there will be only street lamps, just looking like big giants with one red eye at its head. The same way the watchman swings his lantern. Swings means he moves his lantern lamp sideways, and he will be walking in the streets with his shadow. That means as the watchman walks, his shadow also follows along with him. So, and never once goes to bed in his life. See, watchman, what the watchman does during night time, he does his duty. He guards the houses, and only during daytime watchman sleeps, and at night time he never sleeps in his lifetime. Okay, I wish I were a watchman walking the streets all night. So this little boy want to become a watchman so that he could walk in the streets all the nights, chasing the shadows with my lantern. So chasing the shadows means following and to catch the people, or to catch the thieves. Uh, and so he want to become a watchman so that he could chase the shadows with his lantern. That means lamp. Okay. So this is about this poem. Okay. Just you go through this poem once again. Read this poem. Okay, this is your assignment. There is no special assignment today. Just read this poem, learn it, as well as in the before class I taught you about my favorite things poem. You read that poem, learn it, learn whole poem. Okay, that is your assignment. Okay, thank you. Meet you in the next class.